Creating a raised bed garden offers numerous benefits, from improved soil drainage and aeration to better pest control and easier access for gardening enthusiasts of all ages and abilities. While traditional methods involve digging into the ground to establish raised beds, a no-dig approach offers a simpler, more environmentally friendly alternative. By layering organic materials atop existing soil, you can build a fertile and productive raised bed without disturbing the earth below. Here is a step-by-step process to make your first no-dig raised bed. Step number 1. Select a location. Choose a spot that receives ample sunlight throughout the day, ideally at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Opt for a location with good soil drainage to prevent waterlogging. It's convenient to place your raised bed near a water source, such as a hose or rain barrel, to make watering more manageable. Number 2. Prepare the area. Remove any existing vegetation, such as weeds or grass, from the area where you plan to create your raised bed. Use a garden spade, hoe, or weed trimmer to cut down vegetation close to the ground. Level the ground as much as possible to create a flat surface for your raised bed. Use a rake or shovel to remove any bumps or depressions in the soil. On number 3, design the layout. Begin by sketching out the overall layout of your garden area. Consider the available space, sunlight exposure, and any existing landscape features. Decide on the shape and size of your raised beds. Common shapes include rectangular, square, or circular beds. Aim for a width that allows you to comfortably reach the center of the bed from both sides without stepping into the soil. 4. Lining the beds. Using bricks or cinder blocks to line a no-dig raised bed can provide a sturdy and attractive border while also helping to retain the soil and define the bed's edges. Place the first row of bricks or cinder blocks along the perimeter of the raised bed area. Position them so they are level both side to side and front to back. Step number 5. Lay cardboard or newspaper. Lay down a thick layer of cardboard or several layers of newspaper over the cleared area. This will smother any existing vegetation and prevent weeds from growing up through the raised bed. If the land beneath your beds have no weed, there is no need to add any cardboard. Number 6. Fill the beds. Fill the raised bed with garden soil, leaving a few inches of space at the top for the compost or manure layer. Now spread a layer of compost or well-rotted manure on top of the garden soil. Aim for a depth of around 4–6 inches. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.